Remember the first time it melted and the white on the ground disappeared. What a treat that it came here to visit. Maybe I can see snow next year. Snow.